Warm welcome. You're watching To The Point. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. Now, there was a storm in Parliament today as the opposition continued to corner the government over Ajay Mishra Tenni, the union minister whose son has been accused in the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. The Modi government is facing the heat. Here's all that happened.
Lakhimpur violence is the biggest flashpoint in Parliament this winter session. The opposition is upping the ante against the BJP over the violence probe. More so after the SIT revealed that there was conspiracy to kill farmers who were protesting in Lakhimpur Kheri. At 8:41 am on Thursday morning, Congress MP Manikyam Tagore moved an adjournment motion in Lok Sabha demanding the removal of MOS home Ajay Mishra Tenni, whose son is an accused in the violence. Minutes later, TMC's Shushmita Dev also moved an adjournment motion to discuss the October 3rd incident, in which a convoy of cars ran over 5 people. The Congress continued to mount pressure. A group of Youth Congress workers protesting outside Parliament demanded Tenni's resignation. Opposition uproar and sloganeering disrupted the House, where the Congress questioned the centre on why the union minister wasn't sacked yet.
सर, जो लखीमपुर खेरी में हत्या हुई है और जो मंत्री का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है उसमें
माननीय सदस्य
यहाँ कहा गया है जो यहाँ आपके मंत्री हैं उन्होंने किसानों को मारा है, उनको इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। आपने जो उसका जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट है विषय कंस्पिरेसी जो की है,
आपने प्रश्न पूछा, उस पर समय
उसमें उसकी सजा मिलनी चाहिए।
आप प्रश्न पे पूछे
और उसको सजा मिलनी चाहिए।
कांग्रेस पार्टी के जो मेंबर्स है वेल में है, वो उधर से बोलना चाहते हैं, प्रश्न करना चाहते हैं, ठीक नहीं, उनके मेंबर वापस बुलाने दो। ये कैसे हो सकता है? वेल में भी रहेंगे और बात भी करना चाहते हैं।
The ruckus resulted in adjournment of Lok Sabha for the remaining day. Modi government is facing the heat for allegedly shielding MOS home Ajay Mishra Tenni. With Mausami Singh in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, viewers, before I go to our political panel, I want to cut across to our reporters right now in Lakhimpur Kheri, getting us the very latest. Mind you, the MOS home, Ajay Mishra Tenni, was caught on camera abusing journalists in Lakhimpur when they asked him about the SIT charges which were increased where his son was concerned. I want to cut across to Santosh Sharma, my colleague who's joining me from Lakhimpur Kheri. I'll also go across to Abhishek Verma, my colleague who was actually harassed, abused by MOS home. Santosh, what is the latest there? Because there were many journalists who were abused by the MOS home who was in Lakhimpur. What are you picking up from the people that you're talking to, especially the local journalists? संतोष, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Today I visited both parties' houses. Even the farmer Nakshatra Singh, I visited their house, and after that the Shubham Mishra and the Hariom Mishra. The victim from जी बिल्कुल आवाज आ रही है? आवाज आ रही है? Hello.
Go ahead.
Hello.
Santosh, go ahead.
Singh house, he was his family is blaming that government is not. The government is not taking the resignation of MOS Minister Ajay Mishra, and up to that the Ajay Mishra is on his seat. They can't think that they get the justice. And even the BJP worker, the family of Shubham Mishra and Hariom Mishra, who was the driver of MOS Ajay Mishra, who were driving that Thar Jeep and accused of rollover the farmers. His family is also waiting for the justice. They think that nobody is coming to their family to help them. And who killed their son? That is the important question. Who killed Shubham Mishra? Who killed Hariom Mishra? The police is not investigating on their part. Only they are focusing on the farmers FIR registered, and the SIT as 2 days before submitted a court an application to impose a 307 and along with to reduce 304A. It means that the family of the victims, both sides, farmer and the BJP workers, they are thinking that they didn't get right now the justice. They are waiting for the justice, and even the farmer family blaming that up to the point MOS Ajay Mishra is on his seat, they can't get justice.
All right, Santosh, stay on with me. Let's cut across to our political panelists this evening. I have Anila Singh, spokesperson BJP, Nasir Hussain, spokesperson Congress. Ms. Singh, you know, right now the family involved of those who were killed in the Lakhimpur violence clearly say that they feel justice will only be delivered when the MOS home steps down. On top of it, ma'am, I'm going to play some visuals for you, which make the position of a sitting MOS home completely untenable, abusing, borderline harassing journalists who are doing their job. Ms. Singh, can you hear me? Anila Singh, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Please go ahead, ma'am.
I can hear you. I can hear you. So, I had a little confusion, so that is why I didn't respond to you. My Ram Ram to everyone. And see, definitely, whatever the families of those who you know, who were demised in this sad incident, we totally stand with them. We are not contradicting whatever they are saying. But at the same time, everything has to go according to the law. FIG report has come out, and 13 people who are already behind the bars, they have been accused of. We know it very well that what is written in that report. But at the same time, if political parties, if I talk about the opposition or some people or the organization, they start saying that the father of one of the accused should resign from his post because he is the father. So that is not fair. But at the same time, even if, like the Grief family says, that no, even he is one of the, he is also somehow directly, indirectly involved in the case, and he should step down. I think then the decision should be left on the party's leadership. So, Bharatiya Janata Party government or the NJ government in the center, they have yet not responded. But
Ms. Singh, I want to ask you something. Leave alone what the opposition is asking. Leave alone for once even what the family members of those who were killed in the Lakhimpur violence are asking. I'll play some visuals for you. Is the MOS home, who is on camera seen abusing and verbally abusing, borderline harassing journalists, still be sitting as MOS home? Doesn't it make his position completely untenable?
My response to this incident, when a few of the journalists were mishandled, is that one should, like any person, should not lose his or her calm in any way. And
he's not anybody, Ms. Singh. That's the sad part. He's not anybody. He is an MOS home. He continues to be in his position despite harassing, abusing journalists. I'm going to come to Mr. Hussain and I'm going to come back to you, Ms. Singh. But I want to cut across to my colleague Abhishek, who was, when one day earlier, before this video was recorded, he himself faced abuses. He himself faced harassment from none other than the MOS home. What was he doing? His job, asking questions of the MOS home. Abhishek is joining me right now. Abhishek, आपके साथ 2 दिन पहले क्या हुआ? जो MOS होम टेनी साहब थे, उन्होंने जब आपने उनसे सवाल पूछा, उन्होंने आपके साथ क्या किया?
हमारे मीडिया वाले हैं ना, एक निर्दोष आदमी के लिए बनाया, शर्म नहीं आती है। अरे फोन बंद कर दे, फोन बंद कर दे।
We're going to try and connect to my colleague Abhishek, but let's cut across to Nasir Hussain, spokesperson Congress. Mr. Hussain, the Congress has demanded that the MOS home step down. The BJP on this show as well as in Parliament is accusing the Congress that this matter is sub judice. You are politicizing the issue.
Preeti, I think the government, the party that is there in power today at the center fails every time when the questions are asked by the opposition. They also fail and they fail to understand that it's the role of the opposition to ask questions. If you don't ask questions in parliament, then where will we ask? Here is a person whose son has mowed down so many farmers. SIT was constituted. It comes out with a report which says it's a conspiracy. From day one, we have been saying this is a conspiracy to muzzle the voices of protest. It's a conspiracy to shut down the agitation of the farmers. This is a conspiracy to sell off the land of the farmers to the corporate sector. So we have been continuously saying that it is a conspiracy. Now the SIT says it is a conspiracy. So in the interest of a fair trial, the minister has to step down. Why don't people get bail in the court? Because the court always says the person who is accused can always influence the victim, can always influence the inquiry, can always influence the investigation, can blackmail, harass and torture the victims. Now here is a person who is MOS in Union Ministry. He can always influence, harass and influence the investigation. He can harass the members of the families, farmers who were killed that day. So that is the reason we are saying he should step down. He should step down from his ministry so that there is a fair trial, so that there is a fair investigation. Let the truth come out and let us all face the fact that here an incident has taken place. And the person who was involved is none other than the son of a minister.
All right, Anila
that
Singh.
is the reason why we are saying he has to step down and come out.
All right,
and
Anila Singh.
BJP should also remember that they have always done the same thing what we are doing today, asking questions to the government.
Anila Singh, please respond to what the Congress spokesperson said, and I'll add a question to it once again. If a sitting MOS home behaves the way he has with the media, with the journalist, where you're abusing a journalist, borderline harassing him, should he continue in a position which is as high as MOS home?
See, if you ask me that was his behavior with the journalist was proper, I'll say no, it was not proper at all. He should have, he shouldn't have done that. He should not have been so arrogant with the journalists. I'm very clear about that. But secondly, perhaps the Congress spokesperson is thinking the working of the Bharatiya Janata Party is the same way as Congress party works. No, sir, we do not interfere in any sort of, in any way, in any of the investigations. So the earlier SIT team was made, and when Honorable Supreme Court said that new SIT team will be made, so it was made, and whatever the instructions were given by the Honorable Supreme Court, and those were, totally followed. So the thing is, now when the SIT report has come out, at least everybody, including the opposition, they should have some faith in the government. The officers which are there in this SIT team, they might be from different states, but they are UP cadre officers. So, secondly, but we do not interfere. This is a high-profile case. Nobody can interfere. Nobody can influence. And secondly, law and order is a state matter. And Mr. Mishra is in center. Do you think that Mr. Mishra can, in any way, he can influence in the investigation or like the...
Madam, once again, I'll bring in my colleague Abhishek. And once again, the question will be raised again and again. If you're saying it's sub judice, he will not influence, the case which is going on in Uttar Pradesh. Well, one can argue that point both ways. Having said that, this is unforgivable. You're being asked a question and you abuse a journalist, you harass him, and he's not done it once, he's done it over and over again. I have Abhishek, my colleague, with me. Abhishek, आपके साथ क्या हुआ जब आपने सवाल किया मिश्रा जी से?
जब केंद्रीय गृह राज्य मंत्री अजय मिश्रा टेनी को पता लगा कि उनके बेटे पर एसआईटी ने जो है हत्या का मुकदमा चलाने की बात की है, तो अगले ही दिन सुबह अजय मिश्रा टेनी जब जेल में अपने बेटे से मुलाकात करने पहुंचे तो मैं उनको कवर करने के लिए गया और जैसे ही वो निकल कर जाने लगे, पहले तो वो रुक नहीं रहे थे। उसके बाद जब मैंने उनसे सवाल करने की कोशिश की कि आपका बेटा जो है उस पर अब हत्या का मुकदमा चलाया जाना है, तो जब मैंने जैसे उनसे बात करी उन्होंने माइक हटाने की कोशिश की, कुछ वो तहस में भी दिख रहे थे, लेकिन मैं लगातार उनके पास जाता रहा, मैं अपना सवाल उनसे करता रहा। जब उन्होंने गाड़ी का शीशा खोला तो मैंने उस माइक जो है उनसे सवाल पूछने की कोशिश की, तब उन्होंने मुझसे यही सिर्फ कहा कि जैसे आप अपने बेटे से बात करते हैं वैसा ही मैंने अपने बेटे से जेल में बात की है। तो कहीं ना कहीं उनके चेहरे पे गुस्सा तो था, लेकिन उस वक्त चाहे कैमरे का कहें या फिर कुछ उसका कि वो उस तरह से कोई घटना हमारे साथ उस समय नहीं घट पाई थी, लेकिन ये सच है कि उनके चेहरे की फेस रीडिंग्स और उनका जो बिहेवियर था वो कहीं ना कहीं एग्रेसिव था। उन्होंने जवाब तो दिया मगर बड़ा बेमन जवाब दिया उन्होंने।
चलिए, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे जुड़ने का। दैट्स माय कॉलीग अभिषेक। आई थैंक आवर पॉलिटिकल पैनलिस्ट। आई हैव रन आउट ऑफ टाइम अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बट हैविंग सेड दैट, does the current situation in which the MOS home finds himself in makes his position completely untenable? We leave it for our viewers to decide. A quick break to stay with us. News and updates continue on the other side.